As various construction operations come to a close and unneeded equipment is demobilized from the Bonner Bridge replacement project, crews are still hard at work on the final touches that will make the bridge safe for travel and ready for its opening to traffic in the new year. With its final deck poured and the 2 expansion joints that connect the navigation zone to the bridge's north and south approaches installed, crews working on the bridge will now have access to all areas of the 2.8-mile bridge from either end of the inlet. On the top side of the bridge, crews have begun the process of grinding the bridge's deck surface into what will be its final roadway, as work to complete installation of barrier railings continues. Meanwhile, below the bridge deck, Cape Hatteras Electric is hard at work installing the power lines that will replace the older bridge's transmission lines. At the north end, crews have completed work on drainage improvements to the area in preparation for the paving expected in the next month that will connect the new bridge to NC-12. NCDOT urges motorists in the area to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, watch signs for construction information and lane closures, and to remember that the site is an active construction zone and should not be entered. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC-12 Monday through Friday. 1 lane will remain open during these lane closures. However, motorists should allow extra travel time. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's Local Notice to Mariners, Broadcast Notice to Mariners, and Marine Safety Information Bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge replacement project, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.